Pyrex measuring cups are a must-have essential for any kitchen. The 1-cup measuring cup is a versatile essential for almost any kitchen project. Designed for easy measuring, mixing, lifting, and pouring, it features clearly marked measuring lines and a handy pouring spout. Safe to use in the dishwasher, microwave, freezer, and preheated oven. The non-porous glass won't absorb stains or odors. And as always, Pyrex glassware is made in the USA.
We use measuring cups and spoons almost daily in our test kitchen. So when we set out to create a new measuring cup set, we wanted to create some that were easy to use and easy to store. The 7-piece measuring cup set has a unique snapping feature that leaves the cups together for storage and allows you to take out just the measure you need, leaving the rest neatly snapped together. The handles have soft, comfortable, non-slip grips and permanent measurement markings. They also feature color-coded, easy-to-read measurements on the sides so you can find the one you need quickly and easily. Each cup includes a convenient half measurement line inside for quick measurements. The set includes a scraper, which can be used to level ingredients, that also has a hook on it for hanging storage when needed. We've also included a convenient 1.5 cup perfect for large recipes and baking. The set also includes a 1 cup, a 2/3 cup, a 1/2 cup, a 1/3 cup, and a 1/4 cup. Here's a good tip. Our 7-piece measuring cup set is the perfect companion piece to our 7-piece measuring spoon set.
Hi, I'm Julie, and I'm excited to show you these beautiful measuring cups and spoons from Simply Gourmet. These sets are made from premium stainless steel and are designed to last a lifetime. Each piece includes engraved markings that will never fade or rub off, and you'll love how narrow spoons easily fit into the spice jars. Simply Gourmet uses only the highest quality stainless steel, so you can be confident that these will never rust and they are completely dishwasher safe. Worried about your handles breaking? Don't be. These are made from one piece of stainless and will never break, unlike plastic or other less expensive sets. Finally, this set stacks together, making storage a breeze. We hope you enjoy this set and encourage you to check out our stainless mixing bowl set that would be another great addition to your kitchen collection.